Hey, Mark.
Hey, Kevin.
Chimney caps, huh?
Chimney caps.
So I've been on a couple roofs with you.
Yep.
I remember building a new chimney with you. No cap. You
Right.
didn't put one on there. And I remember doing a repair where there was a cap.
Right.
Do we need them? What's the deal?
So when we're constructing a chimney, we kind of build it so it doesn't need a cap. But over the years, things develop that may make you need a cap. One of those things is, say, branches growing over the roof line and impeding the chimney, which would impede the draft on both a fireplace flue and a mechanical flue.
So two different flues.
Right.
So the ambiance sitting around the fireplace, and then your furnace or your boiler comes out of a different one.
Correct.
Might go up the same chimney, but come through the roof at a different spot.
Well, actually,
Or side by side.
different flues, but side by side, yes.
Right, gotcha. So just so I'm clear, what are all the things that a cap is doing for us if we decide to use one?
Okay.
You talk about the branches, so downdraft is one of them?
Downdraft is a big one. That's what the hood will do. It'll protect you from the downdraft. The hood is also going to protect you from a direct rain going down and hitting the bottom of your fireplace and creating problems that way.
Yep.
And the screen, that's going to protect you against critters, birds,
Gotcha.
and all of that.
Okay, and so this one here just sort of has a flange, the screen and the hood, so that will just sit right on top of the clay liner or chimney that's poking through the rooftop.
Exactly.
Gotcha. And you brought, in this case, a black and a silver, so I'm assuming painted and what, stainless?
Stainless steel right here, which again is the premium of the two. This, as you said, is a black paint, powdered coated, and it is a galvanized steel, which is a little bit different than the stainless steel.
I've also seen you work in copper, which is always acceptable.
So
that's an upcharge.
everything's an upgrade, right? You can do copper, and then again, configuration can be customized as well.
So just so I understand, you are representing what's poking through our roof, right? So we've got a brick chimney, which comes up through the house and above the roof line at some point.
Correct.
What's this?
This is your concrete cap.
Right.
That encases the flue liner.
Yep. And that's what this is poking through the roof.
Exactly.
So we've got the liner coming out, and then obviously, we've got the screen, you're saying, with the hood on top, and then a little bit of a flange right here, so that sits onto your liner, and then what? We just
And
thumb
then-
screw it and
yep.
push it in?
Screws, make sure they're tight, one in each corner, and you're good to go. But this is a typical configuration, but sometimes when these flues are closer like that and the chimney may be a little bit smaller, you'll see that the hoods
gonna
start to overlap and bump each other.
Are these pretty standard sizes?
Exactly. This is a standard fireplace size. That's a standard mechanical size.
So hence we have a standard cap for fireplace, cap for mechanical. They might not fit if they're too close.
If they're too close, they don't fit. That's when you have to customize, which is what we have over here.
We could do such a thing, huh?
Yeah.
Can I? Look at this. Is this all stainless steel?
So this is all stainless steel, which is what I would recommend. But as you can see, Kevin, this comes with a flange. So this flange is actually going to bolt into this concrete cap. You can glue it. That's another option.
All the way around.
And of course, you have the screen. But if you notice, I have 4 bolts, one in each corner. Unscrew those, lift the hood, and then you'll be able to access and clean the flues.
Maintenance, cleaning, all that kind of stuff, whereas the screen and the flange, more permanent, stays down.
Exactly.
Well, that's actually kind of nice, though, because now you've just got it over both of those, doing the whole trick.
Right, and I like this as a better look, too, so.
Of course. Well, there you go. All right. I love it, Mark. Thank you.
All right, Kevin.
Hot topic.
You got it. Hot topic.
Thanks for watching. This Old House has got a video for just about every home improvement project, so be sure to check out the others. And if you like what you see, click on the subscribe button to make sure that you get our newest videos right in your feed.